Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer. In this video, I am preserving the gorgeous Mother's Day bouquet that my daughter gave me. I'm using two methods, the silica gel method and glycerin and water method. The colors are rich and vibrant right now, but they will darken and get dull after drying, so I got several peonies from my next door neighbor just to lighten the palette a little bit. Please see further information and links in the description box below. Save the stems for later, and you'll need to dry them too. The oatmeal bottle keeps the flowers from drying too flat. One part vegetable glycerin to 2 parts warm distilled water. Approximate time 2 weeks. Then hang botanicals upside down for 2 to 3 days. Please check the description box below for more information and for links. Revealing the dried flowers. Dry time 4 days to 2 weeks, depending on the denseness of the petals, etc. Every botanical is different. I cannot give an exact time. Just keep checking on it. These began as 2 roses of the same size. This one was completely covered with silica gel and this one was not completely covered. Big difference. These are not very good. They're small and dull, so I think I'll be throwing them out, at least most of them. Some of these have curled up. I don't know why. I'll have to flatten them. Making the roses. What you'll need: the dried stems, bits of leaves, hot glue gun. Please be careful when using hot glue. Arranging the bouquet. What you'll need: a vase, colored sand to create a swirl, and ribbon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.